Jean Power. I'm the managing attorney of the Employment Law Division of the Law Offices of Scott Warmoth. I practice in the area of labor and employment law. One topic that comes up a lot with my clients is whether or not they are a salaried or an hourly employee. The more appropriate legal term for this is an hourly employee typically is what's called a non-exempt employee, and a salaried employee is typically called an exempt employee. What this means is if you're an hourly employee, you are supposed to be protected by the labor and employment laws of the state of California, particularly the labor code. For example, let's say you are an hourly employee, you're a dishwasher at a restaurant, and you work 50 hours per week. For every hour over 40, that is the additional 10 hours per week, you should be paid time and a half overtime for the labor that you do for that restaurant. If you're a salaried employee, you don't get paid overtime, you don't get rest breaks, you don't get meal breaks. But salaried or exempt employees typically are those who hold management authority, have professional credentials, have the authority to make independent decisions on their job and what they are doing. A dishwasher, for example, does not have that authority. I have seen circumstances where clients who have these types of jobs are paid a straight salary. I had a client that was paid $200 a day and worked 12 to 14 hours per day. The employer thought that he did not have to give him rest breaks. The employer thought that he did not have to pay him overtime because he was an exempt employee because of his salary. However, the laws of the state of California do not see it that way. In order to pay somebody a salary and not give them the protection of the labor code, you have to show that they have a management position, they have independent authority, and the wage that they are paid must be at least double the prevailing minimum wage. So in this example, our dishwasher is not getting paid double minimum wage. He doesn't have independent authority on what he should be doing for his job, and he is certainly not a manager. If you feel that your employer has improperly classified you as an exempt employee and you are not getting your overtime, your rest breaks, and your meal breaks, please contact me for a free consultation so that I can evaluate your claim. Call us at the Law Offices of Scott Warmoth at 626-282-6868.